Bitcoin may slide 1.1% tomorrow, according to CoinLore. But first, here's the current view of today's activity. Bitcoin has posted a 1.2% increase today and is now near the $67,611.90 level. Now, let's hear from the analysts' side. According to crypto predictions, the price could increase to $68,177.48 by tomorrow, which is about 0.8% above the current level. Bitcoin might approach $67,542.85, according to Cryptonization, a projected decrease of 0.1%. Traders Union highlights the possibility of dropping to $67,162.39, a decrease of about 0.7%. Another forecast from CoinLore suggests Bitcoin could drop to $66,873, an estimated decrease of about 1.1%. And in closing, digital coin price suggests the price may dip to $65,668.18 by March 31, 2.9% below now. This is the most profitable return estimate. That wraps the forecast block. Let's continue. The predictions are in. Here's how each might perform. According to all forecasts, price movement could span from a decline of 2.9% to a gain of 0.8%. As a result, digital coin price is expected to post the highest return with 2.9% growth in value by March 31. Put simply, you could come away with between $1 and $29 for every $1,000 you invest. Looking at volatility data, Cryptonization's forecast shows the highest probability of accuracy at 86.1%. By merging all the forecasts, I've created a single consensus view. The consensus scenario puts Bitcoin on course for about 0.8% decline. Alright, let's drill into it. The consensus projection indicates a 0.8% drop in price. In that case, your capital could also rise by about 0.8%. On a 1,000 position, that would be about $8 gained. The probability of the consensus forecast being fulfilled is estimated at about 81.4%. At this stage, let's examine the short-term 3-day predictions from analysts. Crypto predictions signals the price is following an ascending path. Also, Cryptonization suggests upward pressure will persist. Traders Union anticipates Bitcoin falling. Additionally, CoinLore emphasizes a downward trajectory. Meanwhile, digital coin price forecasts Bitcoin moving lower. Overall, the consensus points to Bitcoin remaining balanced across the 3-day period. Bringing these perspectives together, the majority expect Bitcoin to decline. 2 days ago, 5 predictions were published. Here's how they turned out. At the end of the day, the market recorded $66,011.90. Ultimately, only 2 of 5 analysts were right about the direction. If accuracy is the measure, then coin price forecast came out on top. Time to organize the results. Only 1 forecast landed exactly inside the candle. For ROI, a few analysts showed profits, with 30 rates leading the positive group at 0.4%. Let's move to the summary view. See how all forecasts performed overall. Looking at the summary, coin price forecast registered 0.2% ROI and accuracy. See if you can spot which predictions were the most successful. Now take a look at how the expected returns for tomorrow vary across different assets and Bitcoin. At third position we have Bitcoin, and Dogecoin appears with an expected gain of 2.2%. For now, Bitcoin is analyzed together with 4 random cryptocurrencies. The wider profitability comparison and analyst accuracy records will soon be added to my website and Telegram. If you like having analysts' views summarized for you, like and subscribe to keep it simple. Catch you later.